water leaking, coming through cracks, dripping from the ceiling into people's cars, forming puddles in the underground parking garage, leaving stains and marks on things, creating a major annoyance for the unit owners. My name is Dan Hauser. I am a lawyer and I represent condo associations. We work to help condo associations recover insurance money from major repairs. So it's important, first of all, for the consultant to understand the purpose of the assignment and the investigation, and then using the correct language to describe the problems. We were representing a condo association with a leaking underground parking garage and couldn't afford to dig up all the landscaping to find out where the leaks were coming from, so we used J2 to solve that problem. We had J2 piece together a lot of information from different sources, including deposition testimony, old photographs, site plans, to solve the mystery of the leaking parking garage. We've tried working with other consultants, and sometimes they just didn't understand what we were trying to accomplish. With J2, we just explained ourselves. We did not have to cross-examine them about their reports, and they understood what we were doing. It was a great experience. J2's a reliable partner that you can count on. I felt like they're experienced and professional and treat each client as an important client, make sure they understand the purpose and get the job done right the first time.